Good morning and good afternoon. My name is Josh Mills with the Mills Real Estate Group, and welcome home to one of my new listings out here in Waxahachie, Texas. Those of you from the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, we are only about 5 minutes from I-35, so it's an easy commute to get back to town. In addition, if you like cold mead and jousting, you're in good company because literally the Scarborough Fair is maybe 5 minutes down the road as well. That being said, this is one of my favorite homes. I love it. It's just under 2,800 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. I love the oversized kitchen. I love the open concept. It has an oversized parking, oversized garage, 3-car garage. The home sits on almost an acre lot, and literally the back side of the home is nothing but a wall of windows. So you have almost panoramic views of nothing but farmland and wildflowers and trees. Definitely make it out here as quickly as you can. The market's heating up and we're getting a lot of traffic on this house, so it's probably not gonna last long. I'd love to see you here. And even if you just wanna come by and take a look at a beautifully constructed house, this is the one. So we'll see you soon. Thank you so much.